What if the secret to our existence did not start on Earth, but drifted here from the cold void of space? Usually, we look for life that looks just like us, but what if we are actually looking for the wrong thing entirely? And is it actually possible to grow food on the surface of the moon? Today, I'm going to tell you about the breakthroughs reshaping our universe. This is fresh science, and future horizons are closer than you think. The cosmic seeds of life, Ryugu asteroid. Imagine holding a piece of the cosmos that has never, ever touched the Earth until now. For years, scientists have wondered if the ingredients for life were cooked here on our planet, or if they were delivered from the deep, dark void of space. To find the answer, the Japanese Hayabusa 2 spacecraft traveled millions of miles to a dark rock named Ryugu. It grabbed a handful of dust and brought it back in a perfectly sealed vacuum capsule. This part is crucial because it means there was absolutely zero contamination from our world. When researchers finally opened it, they found something that changed history. Inside that ancient dust, they discovered uracil, one of the fundamental building blocks of RNA. They also found vitamin B3, which is essential for all living metabolisms. But the discoveries didn't stop with RNA. The samples also revealed a vast array of amino acids, the very proteins that build every living cell on Earth. It is as if we found a complete cosmic kitchen with every single ingredient needed to cook up life scattered across the surface of a lonely asteroid. This is the ultimate proof. It tells us that the blueprint for life was already written in the stars billions of years ago. We are literally seeing the seeds of our existence floating on a rock in the middle of nowhere. It strongly supports the idea of panspermia, the theory that life travels between worlds on the backs of asteroids. It means that wherever you look in the universe, the same ingredients are likely waiting for the right moment to bloom. We are not just living on Earth, we are part of a massive cosmic biological puzzle. If the seeds of life are floating on every asteroid in the void, does that make the universe a giant laboratory just waiting for the right planet to bloom? What do you think? Are we just a cosmic accident or a planned delivery? The universal life detector, assembly theory. For decades, we have been searching the stars for a mirror image of ourselves. We look for oxygen, methane, and water. Essentially, we are looking for Earth 2.0. But what if life in the universe doesn't look anything like us? What if it uses a chemistry we can't even imagine? A groundbreaking new study by Sarah Walker and her team suggests that we might be looking for the wrong thing entirely. They have developed a radical new tool called assembly theory. Instead of searching for specific chemicals, this theory measures complexity. You know, random chemical reactions in space can only create simple molecules, but life is an architect. It builds incredibly complex structures that could never exist by pure chance. Assembly theory gives us a ruler to measure this complexity. It doesn't matter if the aliens are made of carbon, silicon, or something else. If a planet is building complex molecular patterns, it means evolution is at work. This is a massive shift for NASA's future telescopes, like the Habitable Worlds Observatory. We are no longer just looking for aliens, we are looking for the fingerprints of complexity itself. This new physics could finally reveal the hidden life forms that our old tools simply could not see. If life is defined by complexity rather than chemistry, then the universe might be alive in ways we are not yet smart enough to understand. Does this make you feel more connected to the cosmos or more alone in a world of strange alien patterns? Farming on the moon, lunar regolith agriculture. It sounds like a scene from the movie The Martian, but scientists are actually trying to grow food on the moon, and the results are both hopeful and deeply concerning. In recent experiments, researchers used real lunar regolith. This is the dusty and shagged rock brought back by Apollo astronauts. They planted seeds, added water and nutrients, and waited. The good news, the plants actually germinated and grew, but when scientists looked closer, they found a major problem. The plants were under extreme stress. They were fighting against the toxic, sharp-edged lunar soil as if they were in a poisonous environment. Their growth was slow, and they were struggling to survive. This means growing enough food for a lunar colony isn't as simple as planting a seed. The study suggests a fascinating solution, using bacteria. Certain microorganisms can break down the harsh minerals in the moon dust, unlocking vital nutrients like phosphorus and reducing the plant's stress. If we can create a healthy ecosystem in this sterile gray powder, it changes everything. It means sustainable colonization, fresh oxygen, and a vital psychological boost for astronauts living in a dead, gray world. This isn't just about potatoes, it's about learning to create life where none exists. Farming on the moon isn't just a challenge of biology, it's a battle against the elements. If you were one of the first lunar colonists, would you trust a potato grown in toxic moon dust, even with the help of bacteria? These were the most exciting breakthroughs in Future Horizons. Which of these future-shaping discoveries fascinated you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Fresh Science is here to bring you the most exciting breakthroughs from the edge of discovery. If you want to stay ahead of the latest news in science, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. You can find all the scientific sources used for this video in the description below. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning. Stay curious and stay fresh.